Good day, ma'am. Identity business tools, property management system, channel manager, and accounting software. These tools can replace the manual processes described in the scenario. A PMS can manage reservations and housekeeping. Channel manager can automate online booking, distribution, and accounting software can handle financial reporting. 2. Explain efficiency improvements. Each tool improves efficiency by automating and centralizing tasks. PMS automates guest reservations and check-ins. Centralized housekeeping schedules reduce manual data entry. Errors provides real-time availability updates. Channel Manager automatically updates room availability across all online travel agencies or OTAs, simultaneously preventing overbooking and saving significant time compared to manual updates. Accounting software automates financial calculations, generates reports instantly, ensures compliance, and reduces the time and effort associated with manual bookkeeping. Number 3. Describe a challenge and solution. A possible answer is employee resistance to new technology, which can be addressed through comprehensive training and clear communication. Challenge: employee accustomed to manual system may resist the new digital tools due to a lack of familiarity or fear of job displacement. This can slow down adoption and negate the potential efficiency gains. The hotel can address this by providing true hands-on training, sessions tailored to different rules, clear communicating from different management about the benefits of the training. The transition: reduce workload, improve guest satisfaction, can help alleviate concerns and foster a positive attitude towards the change. Part B. Workplace technology trends reflection. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that allows users to store, manage, and process data and application over internet rather than on a local server or personal computer. It enables on-demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources, e.g. networks, server storage, application, and services. 2. Provide one real or realistic example of how this trend is used in hospitality. Hotel Property Management Systems (PMS). Many hotels use cloud-based property management system (PMS) to manage operations instead of maintaining physical servers on site. The hotel accesses the software via the internet. This allows staff to manage reservations, check-ins, billing, and guest service from various devices and locations, ensuring data is always backup and accessible. Number 2. Discuss how this trend may affect future hospitality jobs, skills required, work processes, or career opportunities. Increased need for digital skills. This trend will significantly affect future hospitality jobs by increasing the need for digital literacy and technical skills. Skills required: employees will need to be proficient in using cloud-based software and mobile devices for daily tasks. Roles may shift towards data analysis and managing digital guest experiences. Traditional manual processes like paper-based records will be replaced by streamlined automated digital workflows, improving efficiency and reducing errors. New job opportunities may emerge in areas such as IT support for cloud systems, data management, and digital marketing, while some back-office administrative roles might be reduced or redefined.